I'm lost in my own, lost in my flow, losing my mind, lost in the rhyme, losing my soul. They call me the dark poetic, I strike mice, you know it. Held it down for years, that I'm stitched in the sewing. Live and authentic, come test, I said it. Pimp pants been tested, red, yellow, forget it. My light's always green, always live on the scene. Now you're looking for Steve, you can't help to feel me. Every word, every breath, every time, every step, deliver wreck until my death. Lost so you won't forget the last supper original, on point and lyrical. Tracks by the brotherhood, you only wish you could. Go back to basics, come again with something new. Pass the mic to the left, and still all respect's due. My rhythm and range should be locked in a cage. Live day by day with scar tissue on the brain. Whose hands will lost so? Please state your name.
Brotherhood, R.Y. they know, spitting in flames.
My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage. My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage. Whose hands will lost so? Please state your name.
Brotherhood, gunset, they know, doing this thing.
My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage. My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage.
Hey yo, my mind be thinking darker than the heart of the devil. It's box cutting, carrying dangerous, nigga, part of my level. Niggas saying that they dirty, so I sharpen my shovel. I escape right out of hell just to spark in a fellow. I know niggas analyze my styles and try to bite it. You'll end up with no teeth if you write and recite it. I'm a Leo, I guess that's why I got heart of a lion. Creeping on my enemy and hit him on perfect time. It's flat, blood up on the wall. I hit him with the booger from the snub nose on some shit. I'll make a club close, yeah, I'm a wild nigga. Don't get it twisted, cause I ain't only a rapper, motherfucker, I live this. In gunset, I get love on every block. And niggas know I'm a villain like my name was Eddie Brock. Cause I spit venom, poisonous bars with deadly shots. Hit a nigga with a verse so hard, it's had a pop.
Whose hands will lost so? Please state your name.
Brotherhood, R.Y. they know, spitting in flames.
My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage. My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage. Whose hands will lost so? Please state your name.
Brotherhood, gunset, they know, doing this thing.
My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage. My rhythm, my rhythm, my rage, my rage.
You're a dream merchant, green serpent, devilish fiend lurking. You should do some soul searching. Brotherhood is straight murking. Individuals that think they are cynical. It's gonna take a miracle to take out this militant group. Dropping bombs like Al-Qaeda, Bin Laden. When R.Y. is rapping, it's like the alignment of the planets, my nigga. Brotherhood forms into devastated like Decepticons. Will put a hole in you like a crater. Just like Megatron, evil mentality like Darth Vader, and it's never gone. My D come in a block just like Jada, nigga. And I push them double sealed on 603. It's me and Loso and Thanos, the gauntlet chilling in the SUV. We're riding dirty all the way to the radio show. I pull out some purple haze and proceed to roll a prime toe. Then I pull out the murder 16s out of Bible. I ain't coming for nothing less than your championship title. Cause I'm from 603, 48, CSB, born in Brooklyn like Big E. I'm from Brooklyn, I should name myself Sunset Park. Cause I'm one of the last real niggas that got that heart. If it isn't for me and Thanos, hip-hop falls apart. And it's a shame how hip-hop and money cannot depart. That's why I take hip-hop serious like my face was scarred. I spit them things so hard I leave your fucking body charred.
You're dead, motherfucker!
What you think I am, huh? What you think I am, fucking worm like you? I told you, right? I told you, don't fuck with me. I told you. No, but you wouldn't listen. Right, you stupid fuck. Look at you now.